Good afternoon, everybody. This is Steve LeVay, and I am here with the T3Live halftime report. This morning, I woke up to a market that gapped up about 15 points, and currently, look where we're at. We're up about 15 points in the S&P, so not much movement on a huge gap up this morning. A couple of stocks I looked at today. Visa, a monster. Let's throw that one on the chart here. Okay, here's Visa. First trade right through the 5-minute high. Again, that's one of my favorite trades, guys. When you see a trade through the 5-minute high, especially on an earnings trade, you absolutely try to get in right around the high. You give it a stop. You know, I usually try to give it a 20, 30-cent stop depending on the trade. But look what it did. It has not looked back at all until basically 10:30. So an hour's worth of trading, the stock went straight up, and now it's just retracing a little bit of that move. So that's one trade that I looked at today. Another one that I looked at was LinkedIn. Okay, LinkedIn went straight down with Facebook this morning. 5-minute low trade right here. Look at that tail. A lot of selling in the first 5 minutes, and then look what happens. Breaks 103. Next thing you know, we're sitting at 100. Again, LinkedIn traded down with Facebook today, and an interesting trade should be this afternoon at Facebook. Look what we got developing right here. A W pattern on the chart leads me to believe if we can somehow get through 28, you might see some short covering ahead of earnings in Facebook this afternoon. I will be watching LinkedIn for a trade off of Facebook. It seems like they're somewhat trading in tangent today, so we will see what happens. Again, normally days like this are very difficult. You have these gap ups. You're not really sure where to go with them. So what I say to do is if you've made money this morning, sit back, wait for trades to set up, maybe a bull flag, bear flag type of setup for you out there, and you'll be able to make your money that way. If you don't see anything, this is one of the harder marks to trade, so don't trade. I always say that if you don't have to trade, don't trade. Just watch and see what happens. Again, there's a lot of earnings this evening. You've got Amazon, you've got Facebook, so that'll keep us very busy. With that, everybody, good luck the rest of the day. I will talk to you on the VTF in about an hour.